Honestly, not that much.
I guess, I don't know.
No. Once.
Can't, oh, there's like a thing there. Oh, yeah.
It took me so long to find out. I found out.
We noticed you checking for lumps on the bull. What was your strategy for searching on the bull?
You want to be gentle with this guy, you want to be nice to him, you want to treat him right. I went in there, just kind of a light touch around on one side, come in, light touch around on the other side, and not too firm, but a little firm.
Not a clue. I would assume there's a little bit of tickling there. I'm not sure.
I don't know, I guess.
Yeah, like something like that.
Would you ever be willing to like check one of your friends for ball cancer?
Ooh, I don't know. That's quite a commitment.
Like a good friend?
Probably like it'd have to be like an oldest friend I've ever known.
I mean,
if the homie need help,
Yeah.
I'm helping him out.
I mean, I care about him, so.
Oof, probably not. Maybe a close friend if you really needed it.